Hello, and welcome to the future of pitch decks. Welcome to Pitchora AI. This is not just a slide builder, it's an AI platform that turns ideas into interactive pitches in minutes. Create slides, documents, and web experiences, all powered by AI. Let me quickly show you how it works. After login, you land on a clean dashboard with everything organized. Your performance, statistics, quick links, and your favorite or recent pitch stats in one place. And your sidebar gives you full control instantly. Now let's jump straight into creating. Pitch. Create a new pitch. You have three powerful ways to create your pitch. Create using AI. Extract from a URL and upload your existing PDF or PPT. Let's start with create using AI. Simply describe your pitch idea, choose your preferred style. Select your language. Then decide how many cards or slides you want. You're in control of the structure from the beginning. Once everything is set, click Generate. AI will automatically create and add the perfect title for your pitch. Select one and continue. AI automatically creates your complete slide pitch, topic, flow, layout, and visuals. And within moments, you're inside the Pitchora AI editor. Now your idea is no longer just text, it's a structured pitch deck. Everything is smooth, structured, and perfectly arranged. Images, text, design, everything is already in place. You don't have to start from scratch. AI handles it all for you. You just step in, refine, customize, and make it yours. And that's not all. You can easily edit your pitch exactly the way you want. On the left, all your slides are neatly organized. Need a new one? Just click New. In the center, your slide is already designed. Text and images are in place, ready to refine. At the top, you've got quick controls. Change the background, customize colors, upload images, and even add exciting moving backgrounds to make your presentation look more modern, professional, and visually engaging. Generate slides with AI, or duplicate and manage everything effortlessly. You're not starting from scratch, you're improving what's already built. Just click on any text to customize fonts, colors, and styles. Not satisfied with the image? You can instantly generate a new one using AI, or add links and apply image effects. On the right side, you can add text, images, subtitles, and clickable buttons to turn your pitch into a powerful conversion tool. The elements you'll use most are available in a full library, making it easy to design exactly the way you want. You can also export your project as a PDF, PowerPoint, or PNG. We haven't made many manual edits because the AI has already added most of the content for you, but you can fully customize everything according to your needs. Once everything looks perfect, just click Save and Next. Now we move into the most exciting part. This is where your pitch transforms from slides into an AI experience. First, avatar settings. You can choose a photo avatar, a video avatar, or upload your own custom avatar. You're not just picking a character, you're choosing a personality that represents your brand. Next, choose your audio. Pick from natural AI voices, or clone your own for a personal touch. Now your pitch doesn't just show, it speaks. Next, set your welcome message to greet your viewers. Enable autoplay to guide them automatically. Turn on Ask Questions to make it interactive. Adjust response length for better conversations. Enable the slide panel for easy navigation. Activate the chat panel for real-time interaction. Show the lead form to capture details. Select your autoresponder to follow up instantly. Add a feedback form to collect insights. Customize your thank you message for the next step. Choose your animation style for smooth transitions. Style your captions for better clarity and engagement. Once everything is set, hit Publish and go live. Preview at any time. Copy your shareable link. Generate a QR code. Grab the embed code. Check the publish date. Or share it instantly on social. Not just a deck, not just slides, but a pitch that speaks, answers, and captures leads in real time.
Hello and welcome. If you've been searching for a modern home that feels comfortable, stylish, and truly worth the investment, you're going to love this property. This beautiful apartment is designed for people who want both luxury and practicality in everyday life. From the spacious living area to the large windows bringing in natural sunlight, every corner of this home feels warm, elegant, and relaxing. The location gives you quick access to shopping centres, restaurants, schools, offices, and everything you need for convenient living. Whether you're planning to move in or looking for a smart real estate investment, this property offers incredible value and long-term potential.
Hello, everyone. We deliver impactful PR, social media, and TV campaigns with bold design and clear messaging. Focused on modern audiences, thank you.
Today, I want to show you how we're simplifying the way businesses grow. With the right tools and insights, scaling becomes effortless. Let's build something smarter together.
I can speak multiple languages. Je suis parler français. Yo puedo hablar español.
So that's how you create using AI. But maybe you already have content. Maybe you've spent months building a website, or you already have a PDF, or an old PowerPoint sitting on your desktop. You don't need to start over. Just use the Extract URL feature. Paste your or your client's web page link, and Pitchora AI instantly turns it into a clean, structured pitch. Upload a PDF or PPT to convert it into a fully editable presentation. Start with an idea, a website, or a file. Create something smooth, beautiful, and professional in seconds. Now, once your pitch is published, you're automatically redirected to the All Pitches section. This is where everything you've created lives, organized, accessible, and under your control. Each card shows a preview, title, status, and last updated date, so you instantly know what's active and what's not. Now let's talk about something powerful: Master Pitch. This is where you combine multiple pitches into one structured, branded experience. Think about a course with modules, a sales funnel with multiple steps, an onboarding journey. Instead of sending separate links, you create one unified hub. On the left side, you begin with branding. Upload your custom dashboard image. Add a footer image. Make it fully aligned with your brand identity. Then choose your theme so the entire pitch collection maintains a consistent look and feel. You can even add privacy and legal pages, like terms of service or cookie policy, making it ready for professional or client-facing use. On the right side, you simply select the pitches you want to include. Choose multiple decks. Combine them into one structured flow. Click Create. Now you don't just have a pitch, you have a branded pitch hub. One link, multiple pitches. Now let's move to the next powerful tool, Business Finder. This is Pitchora AI's lead generation engine that helps you find real businesses with verified contact details based on your niche and location. Simply enter the business type and location, then click Search. Within seconds, you'll get a list of businesses with details like name, address, email, phone number, and website. If a business has a website, you can visit it. If not, click Add to List and save it as a potential lead. You can manage and export all your leads from the contact list for outreach and marketing. Need more leads? Just click Find New Business and repeat. With Business Finder, you can generate ready-to-contact leads quickly and easily. Now that your leads are ready, you can instantly start contacting businesses through email. Simply select a lead, write your offer, pricing, or service details, and send professional outreach emails directly from the platform. This helps you connect with potential clients faster, promote your services, and grow your business with easy AI-powered outreach. Next, CRM from the left menu, and you enter your complete customer management panel. At the top, you'll see 3 tabs: Conversations, Leads, and Feedback. Inside Conversations, you can see every interaction with your AI pitch agent. On the left, chats are listed. In the center, you can review the full conversation history. On the right, the lead information panel shows key details like name, email, source agent, status, stage, and internal notes. You're not guessing what happened. You see exactly how visitors engaged. Switch to the Leads tab and all your captured leads are neatly organized, searchable, sortable, and exportable in one click. Then in the Feedback tab, you can review ratings and comments, also exportable anytime. Everything, conversations, leads, feedback, stays structured inside one powerful dashboard. Now go to the agency section to manage clients, teams, and enable white label for your own brand. You also get ready-made proposals, freelancer profile templates, invoices, feedback forms, and monthly reports. Everything to scale professionally. In Settings, manage your workspace, integrations, subscription, tutorials, and support. No clutter, no chaos, just simple, powerful workflow. Welcome to Pitchora, where innovation meets imagination. Let's interactify your communication.